What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create this retro photo on Canva, okay? How to create this nice effect right here with shadows into a simple, fast and very effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, find the design into the size that you wish, okay, create your design, then review the left sidebar of menus and go to elements, okay. Once on elements, describe your ideal element, click on retro realistic, type retro realistic photo frame, okay. Pause the video and copy this text, click on search. I like this one on graphics, the first one that gonna appears, or the second one. Both are great, okay. Honestly, I think I prefer the first one, so let me choose it. Now let me align it just to the center, just like this. A little bit more, I think right here is okay. Then you can upload a picture of yours, or you can use a previously stock image, okay. I'm gonna use this stock image right here, and let me drop it just a little bit like this, and let me align it. Let me adjust the size. I think right here is okay. Then click with the right button of your mouse over the image, and on layer we're gonna choose send to back, okay, just like this. Here is the actual result. In the case that you like this result, we are good to go, okay? So you can select both, set group, move it like this, maybe, it's okay. Then click on the background, click on background color, and choose a color that fits the image style, for example. Maybe this one. Looks fancy, right? And here is the final result. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!